No battery lasts forever, and that includes the one in your key fob. But fortunately, replacing it is easier than you think. All you need is a small, flat blade screwdriver and a new battery. In this case, a CR2025 3V. First, push the mechanical release button on the back of the fob and remove the emergency key. Insert a flat blade screwdriver into the now exposed slot. Carefully pry both sides in the direction of the arrows to open the cover slightly. Now, insert the screwdriver into the side gap and carefully pry in the direction of the arrow to open the cover. Using your fingers, separate the case and remove the plastic battery cap. Then use the screwdriver to pry out the old battery. Insert a new battery with the positive pole facing up and cover the battery with the plastic cap. Put the case back together and snap it shut. Now, just reinsert the emergency key and you should be all set. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.